Wow, it's still good to see it.
Oh my God. Big one.
Yeah,
I got him.
It's a giant largemouth.
It's a largemouth.
Giant largie. Giant largie on the bug. Doing the striper trick.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Matt. I need your help.
Relax the water.
Ain't done yet.
Oh my gosh.
Get it all hooked. Get her, Matt. Yeah! Oh! Yeah! What'd I tell you, brother? What did I tell you, brother?
Look at that.
What did I tell you, brother?
Massive.
I said when stripers are around, if you time it just right, you got about 20 minutes after the striper chaos that you can get a big largemouth that's out of her feeding time. It's literally slack tide right now. They'll lose their mind and they'll fully commit. I just missed a massive one just before this, and this one, I'm guessing probably 9 or 10. Close?
Yes.
Right around there. We'll weigh her later. We'll put her in the live well. But that right there, guys, that Savage Gear 3D Shine, I'm working with these guys now. If I can grab that bait, I'm so pumped up. Unhook me there, Matt. Thank you. That right there is what we come to the California Delta for. Yeah. Let's start the live well.
I'll gladly hold that for you for a
Hey,
second.
thanks, man.